Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Second Splash review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that a new recurring subscription has come in and how, as a free member, you can earn these monthly recurring commissions with these new subscriptions. And a bit later on the video, I'm going to show you how you can earn multiple income streams with Second Splash, just promoting one link. We've got some free resources and tools that our team gives you if you join our team, and we'll show you how to set everything up as a complete system. And you get viral passive traffic with Second Splash as well, even as a free member. So you'll see I'm live here in my Gmail account. This one came in 3 hours ago today. Now, as a free member, you will earn 25% monthly recurring commissions of this. I get 50% because I'm an upgraded member. I was very fortunate to get a free upgrade because I've been promoting the sister product, Easy Cash for Ads. And due to the success that I had with that, they give me a free upgrade in Second Splash. So both products are owned by the Second Splash owners. But more importantly, as a free member, you can earn 25% recurring commissions if you never upgrade to a pro member. So the great thing about Second Splash is you not only get viral traffic, you can also earn monthly recurring commissions. Let me take you live into my back office here. And let me just show you how this works. So you'll see here, it says commission $41. But I just recently worked out, I couldn't work out because I've earned more than $41. I'm now $157 into profit, and I couldn't work out why this number was changing. But when you go on click to view here, the number that's left, $41, are the commissions that are still unpaid. And you get paid those, they're a month in arrears. So everything that I earn today, not today, but everything I earn in January, I'll get paid in February. So you'll see all the commissions that I earned there in December last year, I've been paid now in January. Now you'll see one of those commissions there was for $97.39. So one of the members paid the monthly membership up front for a year. So sometimes you could even earn a higher ticket commission if one of your referrals pays up front for a whole year. And still, as a free member, you would earn 25% of that payment. So that's how your commissions work. Let me go back into the home page here, the stats dashboard. And you'll see here, I'll just touch on the viral passive traffic. So you'll see here I'm getting clicks on my splash pages. If I come down here, this is all viral. I'm not really doing any promotion at all. This is how the viral passive traffic works. You set up a splash page, you can quadruple your traffic. I've done lots of other videos on this. If you click my playlist on the channel, you'll see here, I only set that one up recently. I'm going to, it's a great way to get viral passive traffic even as a free member. So let me just show you the free tools and the free resources that we give you. So this is the lead capture page that we're going to give you. And all you do with this is copy and paste a share code into the back of Leads Leap. So I'll show you what the thank you page looks like. And when you join Leads Leap, so if you're not a member of Leads Leap, we join Leads Leap here through this link here. So when you join our team in Second Splash, this is all a done for you funnel. So if you're not a member of Leads Leap, you click there to join Leads Leap. And then we've got a video here that shows you step by step how to set up your funnel. It's really beginner friendly. It's just copy and paste and a few clicks. We'll give you the share codes here. So you copy and paste these share codes. You go into the back of your Leads Leap back office, and then we give you everything you need: lead capture page, thank you page, and follow-up messages. And then you're going to get exactly the same as this. Even if you're an absolute beginner, it's copy and paste and beginner friendly. And then what you'll do is you'll promote one link. It's really simple. You'll promote one link, which will be this page here. And then when your prospects opt into here, they'll get taken to this page. They will join Second Splash through your link here, and they'll join Leads Leap through your link here. Really simple. Promote one link and earn multiple income streams. Now, the Leads Leap income stream, I'll just show you that proof here. You can earn 25% monthly recurring commissions as a free Leads Leap member. You'll see this is American time. I'm here in the UK, so I've got a time difference here, but the date is different in America compared to the UK, but this is live in my account. And you'll see Leads Leap have paid me, well, I've earned so far $399. The majority of that is recurring income from referrals. So even as a free member with Leads Leap, you're not only going to earn monthly recurring commissions, but you're going to get all the tools. You can get traffic. You're going to get every single tool that you need to build any business online, not just with Second Splash, but you can use these this tool suite and this traffic to build any business online. And even as a free member, we do recommend you upgrade to Pro. I did start out as a free member, and I promoted Leads Leap and started to earn some commissions, and I'm now a Pro member. So you'll earn 50% recurring commissions if you upgrade to Pro. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. So I'd really appreciate that, because that will help. That will help the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon. Then you get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 900 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions at all about Second Splash, about Leads Leap, about the funnel, we keep it as simple as we can for you. Just promote one link, and then if any of you member, as a free member, if anybody upgrades, you earn commission. So it's very, very simple. And then if you want to upgrade, you earn more commission. So we try and keep it nice and simple for you and give you all the tutorials you need to get help set up. I'm going to put my email address in the description. If you'd like one-to-one mentoring from me, then you can contact me on that email address, and I'm here to help and support and train you as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. You can join our team by clicking the link in the description, and you can set up a free Second Splash account, and then you can start promoting Second Splash. And also use the viral passive traffic aspect of this platform as well. So get traffic to any offer you wish to choose. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.